Yes, I'm here to ask you some interview questions.
Thank you.
So, okay, thank you for taking the time also to be here. First of all, can you tell us about something about yourself? What do you do at Chuka University? What are your research interests?
Okay, thank you so much. My name is Dr. Joseph Masinde. I'm a senior lecturer at Chuka University for the last 8 years. I work in the Department of Management Science, which is under the Faculty of Business Studies. My research interest is in the area of accounting and finance, mostly financial inclusion. Yes.
So, there has been rapid change in accessing academic information in libraries and digital libraries. Why is this change significant in teaching, learning, and research in the university?
Actually, this is very true that there has been a significant change in accessing information in the library. Previously, we used to have you go to the library, the physical library, but now information has been digitized, and this is very important because there is access to e-books and e-journals, e-materials that the researchers, students, and faculty can have access to. The other very important thing is that this information is now available online 24/7, meaning that you can access it anywhere, wherever you are, on a smart gadget that you could be having. This is very important because also digital information, digital libraries are also very important because we have manpower, professionals that provide support to the researchers face-to-face and also online support.
Thank you. Chuka University prides itself in establishing a strong digital library which has e-books and e-journals. Kindly tell us briefly how you find, for example, the Emerald Insight database useful in your research or teaching activities.
Thank you so much for that very important question. For Chuka University, we pride ourselves for having one of the best digital information, digital libraries, library information. One of the key advantages for having such an information is fast and accurate access retrieval, meaning that when you want the information available to you, you can easily access, and more so from the database you have mentioned, Emerald. Very, very important to mention that. And also, there is flexibility in access by the users. The users are able to access this information. So it is more flexible. The literature can be easily accessed. And the coverage, the areas that the subject areas, the disciplines that it's able to cover is wide. Accounting and finance, economics, just to name a few that Emerald database provides.
And finally, would you recommend the Emerald database and the digital library in general to students, faculty members, and researchers at Chuka University?
Given the benefits and advantages that Emerald database provides, I would highly recommend to the students, researchers, and staff of Chuka University, not only Chuka University, but any researcher who would want to access information through this Emerald database, I would highly recommend that they will be able to visit the database.
Thank you very much for your time. Thank you. It has been a good interview session. Thank you.